Hello, my dear students. Welcome to our English class. I hope you all are enjoying your studies by doing your revision sheet. You have to do your revision sheet with a good handwriting and keep it with a clean. You have to do this yourself, and before doing, you have to read the chapter and read the grammar topics and listen the videos, whatever videos we are sending to you. Then only you will get a how to solve this revision sheet. Okay, now in my yesterday video we completed till 15 page. That 16 is remaining. 16 page is related to vocabulary. That vocabulary page is describing words. Yesterday we completed that describing word 15 page number, and today we are doing page number 16. Okay, now describing words that describe the person or a thing, that are called a describing words. Describing words are adjectives. Okay, that we are doing here. Complete this crossword puzzle with the help of the clues, the words that are found, and describing words. These puzzles are describing words. We have to take a help of these lines. A person with a lot of courage is brave. जो बहुत सारा करेज करता है और बहुत सारा स्ट्रॉन्ग रहता है वो होता है ब्रेव. फर्स्ट वन इज ब्रेव. अ सनी रूम इज ब्राइट मीन्स sunshine, where you get a sun rays, that room always will be a bright. ये हमेशा बहुत रोशनी से चमकती है, so it's a bright. Second answer is bright. Third, a person who is quiet and talks to very few peoples. A person who is always quiet and not talking with everyone and talk with some peoples, that person is called a shy person, means Sharmila, shy. Okay, third answer is SHY, shy. Now down, you fight with someone because you are dash with them. Okay, angry with them. When you are angry with anyone, that time you will shout and fight with them. That is called a angry. When you are not short, then obviously you are a tall. आप short नहीं है तो आप क्या हो? Tall हो. Yes, you have to do this exercise in your revision sheet. Okay, good. Now come to the page number 17. That page number is related to our story writing of chapter 2. You have to read this story map carefully because it will be help you in your board exams too. It will be help in future you very much, so you have to read it carefully and you have to listen this one very carefully. Okay. Story map. A story is an arrangement of words and images of a imaginary or a real people and events where follow a character or a series of characters and a journey. ओके, स्टोरी ऐसा वर्ड है, हमारा फीलिंग्स और हमारी जो इमेजनरी जो हमारा थॉट्स होती है उसको हम इसमें स्टोरी के रूप में लिखे जाते हैं. उसमें कैरेक्टर्स भी होते हैं. कैरेक्टर्स मूविंग ऑन जर्नी, व्हाट दे विल डू ऑन देयर जर्नी. जर्नी मीन्स हाउ दे मूव इन स्टोरी, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ स्टोरी. ओके, why we are writing this story? Because to enjoy writing the story. Listen, when we are feeling very bored, that time you will take a one pen or a pencil, you start writing something. You have to begin with a beginning, middle and end. It will become a story. Okay, why we are writing story? To enjoy our writing. the story. To entertain the readers, when we are writing stories, obviously someone will read that story. So we are entertaining readers. Okay, we are entertaining readers. Okay, now third one, why we are writing these stories? To creatively play with my ideas and thoughts and come up with a narrative. So हमारे दिमाग में अंदर जो भी आइडियाज़ और इमेजिनेशन रहता है उसको हम राइटिंग के रूप में लिखते हैं, तो दैट टाइम इट बिकम्स अ स्टोरी. टू क्रिएटिवली प्ले विथ माई आइडियाज़ एंड थॉट्स, जो भी हमारे आइडियाज़ एंड थॉट्स रहते हैं उसको क्रिएटिविटी देख के हम लिखने लगते हैं. वी विल इम्प्रूव अवर क्रिएटिविटी एंड सम टाइम ओनली स्टोरी इज राइटिंग नॉट, सम टाइम वी आर टेलिंग. नैरेट मीन्स टेलिंग अ स्टोरी. वी विल इम्प्रूव अवर narrativity. Okay, now writing story map. Story map, every story must have a beginning, middle and end. In beginning every short story have a beginning, middle and end. सभी स्टोरी का बिगनिंग हमेशा होता ही है. जैसे एक टाइम में एक राजा रहता था, इट्स अ स्टोरी बिगनिंग. इन बिटवीन, ओके, मिडल. इन मिडल मीन्स आफ्टर सम टाइम he is attacked by his neighbor king. It's become a middle. Okay, what did, describe where, कहाँ पे राजा रहता है, कैसा था. what, where and how. then what did, in between what did, उन्होंने क्या किया. then happy ending. every stories have a happy ending. give a happy ending. always every stories have a happy ending. Okay, now you remember, whenever we are writing stories, we have to remember that story must have beginning, middle and end. In beginning we are doing describe where, what and how. We are describing this all things, where, what and how. In middle we are writing what did, क्या हुआ. in end what, कब और कैसे हुआ, और एंडिंग में कैसा था. वी हैव टू ट्राई टू राइट हैप्पी एंडिंग स्टोरीज. ओके, फर्स्ट वी हैव टू read that story map. You have a one story map here. That story map begins with the first one is, bees have their own way of telling other bees that they have found a new dash. Okay, first they bring some flowers dash back and to the dash. When it is almost time to start making honey, first, second, third. Then they do little dash that shows where the flower is, how far away it is. Then fifth, when it is almost time to start making honey. Then sixth, when the worker bees get back. Now answers. Bees have their own way telling other bees that they have found a new flower. Okay, bees means honey bees. मधुमक्खी, मधुमक्खियाँ. पहले लेसन में, पहले जो फिलअप में आप लिखोगे फ्लावर, वो अपने भाषा में दूसरे बीज को क्या, बीज हनी बी को, मधुमक्खी को क्या बोल रहे, वो कहाँ से फ्लावर ढूंढा है. Then next, first they bring some of the flowers and nectar. नेक्टर मीन्स उसके अंदर का जो हनी जो बनाता है, वो अपने चोंच से बी फ्लावर में से वो नेक्टर निकालता है. टू द हाइव. हाइव मीन्स जो बीज जहाँ पे रहते, बीज का घर को हम क्या बोलते हैं? बी हाइव. Then they do a little dance that shows where the flower is, how far away it is. ओके, वो फोर्थ में जब भी वो फ्लावर देखते हैं तो वो डांसिंग, आपने देखा है वो मधुमक्खियाँ फ्लावर के ऊपर घूमते रहते, करके आवाज़ करते करते घूमते रहते. सॉरी, वो घूमते रहते डांसिंग टू कलेक्ट अ नेक्टर एंड इट शोज हाउ फॉर फ्रॉम द हाइव. मीन्स वो डांसिंग करते हुए, नेक्टर को कलेक्ट करते हुए वो बताते हैं उनका फ्लावर कितना दूर पे है. नाउ व्हेन इट इज ऑलमोस्ट टाइम टू स्टार्ट मेकिंग हनी, worker bees go out in autumn and collect as much nectar as they can. Okay, all of you knows in honey bees hive there are king and queen and worker bees are there. When worker bees go out in autumn season में worker bees बाहर जाके जितना चाहे उतना वो नेक्टर लेके आते हैं. Then sixth one, when the worker bees get back, they make honey and store it for the winter. Okay, अपने लिए वो कौन सा सीज़न के लिए? ऑटम में स्टार्ट करते हैं और विंटर के लिए वो अपना हनी को बचा के रखते हैं. ओके, दिस इज़ एक्स्ट्रा स्टोरी मैप फॉर यू. And this one is page number 19. Story map is in your textbook only. This story map is from your textbook page number 15. आपका जो पेज नंबर 15 टेक्स्ट बुक में जो स्टोरी मैप है वही मैंने यहाँ पे कॉपी किया है. ओके, दिस इज स्टोरी ऑफ टोड एंड फ्रॉग. कंप्लीट दिस फ्लो चार्ट. टोड रिटर्न फ्रॉम अ वॉक. फ्रॉग and saw that a button from his jacket was missing. Okay, first fill up is a button from his jacket missing. They decided to look for the button and went everywhere they had walked before. They looked in many places. Toad collected many buttons but could not find his button. Toad became angry and went home. There he found his button. Toad sewed all the buttons he had found on his jacket. 8. Then he gave the jacket to Frog. This is from your page number 15 only. If you want to copy from your 15 page number, otherwise you have to copy from my video. Okay, this is our story map. You have to listen it carefully and do it properly. And before this, I am telling to you, you have to complete this page number 16, 17 just read, and 18 you have to complete in your revision sheet, and 19 you have to complete in your revision sheet. This is about our story map. All story map have a beginning, middle and end. This is our story map and this is a writing part of our chapter 2. I hope you all will complete till page number 19, and next video we are going to do our page number 21. Okay, take care. And I hope you all will complete this revision sheet very properly and very carefully. If any confusion is there, you have to call me at 5 to 7 evening. My number, already I sent my number in our class WhatsApp group. Third A, B, C, D and E. I sent my personal number to WhatsApp group. If you want to write my personal calling number, write down now. My number is 830-630-4 003. This is my calling number. If you have any queries, if you want to talk to me, you have to call me on this number only. Okay, take care. Bye bye. See you soon. Good luck.